Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Airbnb website step by step. First thing that you must do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice on your device, and then in the search bar simply type in Airbnb. Hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link. Now you must tap on login at the bottom of your screen. Here you are prompted to enter either your email or your phone number. For now I'm going to be entering my email and then hit continue. After that you must head over to your email app on your phone. I'm working with Gmail, so I'm opening the Gmail app and then open the email from Airbnb. Long press on the OTP sent to you, hit copy, head back over to the Airbnb website, long press, paste the code, after which you'll have to enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and then enter a password for your device, and then enter a password for your account. After that, you must agree to the terms and conditions, hit agree. Also, if you're not being able to hit the agree button, what you can do is head over to the three lines at the top right of your screen and then hit desktop site. You may have to re-log in if you have hit desktop site, hit continue again, head back over to Gmail, refresh your Gmail, long press on the code, hit copy, paste it again, enter your first and last name, select your date of birth, hit set up your password, and then hit agree and continue. Hit agree and continue again. This will set up your Airbnb account, after which you can start booking. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.